Good evening, friends. So now again I am here for my practice English. Although I couldn't study when I returned, I was so exhausted. I had a, I had headache, and then when I get some relief by resting, then my brother came to me and we started talking. So I couldn't get time. I couldn't read, so I can explain things. As you know, this is time for my grammar practice, and I have started non-finite verbs, which I have earlier talked about. Non-finite verbs, why we use this uh, non-finite verbs, what is the importance. So in non-finite verbs we talked about participle, gerund, infinitives. So in infinitives we use 2 plus verb, base form of verb, and 2 plus verb. So like I want to go, I wanted to go. So in simple way, but when we want someone to do this, I want my daughter to study. I wanted I wanted my daughter to be I wanted my daughter to be first in her class. So like this we use infinitives, and there are many uses of infinitives. May, when we use infinitives with many adjectives, like I decide not to talk to her. When when she has insulted me, I I decided I decided not 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 I decided not to talk to her. So like this we use, and there are so many more structures. So it's no use going there. I think it's we when we use gerund, then we use it's no uh, use repenting now. So in gerund we use like this: they are reported to be get married. It seems she has slept. It seems my daughter has slept. My daughter seems to have slept. My daughter seems to be studying. I don't know what she is doing. It may be she would watching mobile in the pretext of studying. So if I assume her, so she would be watching TV right now. So this way, since I don't have anything to say, I didn't want to break my this consistency, so I just start speaking anything. This is my way. This is my way to learn any language, because I am learning speaking in English. So this is the first condition, this is the first need. uh, it should be spoken every time. So I speak. So nobody wants English to be spoken here. So this is also a use of uh, infinitives. Nobody wants. I am speaking this sentence in a passive. Nobody wants English to be spoken. Nobody wants to speak English. Nobody wants English to be spoken. This way we use infinitives. And if we use pretense, my daughter pretends to have been studying for 2 hours, but I know the reality. She must be watching, scrolling mobile phone. So this way we use this kind of, and while using, now I am quite comfortable with this usage of this kind of infinitive uses. So when I have remembered that when I started this a week ago, 10 days ago, I was not comfortable with, but while using again I am much comfortable, feeling much comfortable right now. The same way, when we use something again and again, that becomes our habit, and we can use that whenever it is needed. So, and we can use effortlessly. So it was all about infinitives, and I want to give some more examples, but nothing is coming in my mind. Like so, I want to, I have given some word previously. I try to narrate those words, because I want to really use those words like categorically. Categorically, it means when you say something clearly, then we use. She categorically refused my proposal. I categorically said to her I won't come to her house. And the second one, the similar word was, I am forgetting. Some time before I was I had that word in my mind, but right now when it comes to speaking, then I forget. This is my problem. So I know initially when you start something, you forget. It's the actual real learning way. When you forget, again you remember, forget, again you remember, and while doing this again and again, that will, when you use flawlessly, that things becomes your own, then you won't wonder about seeking that word. So it was all about, I forget all words, let it be, I don't care, only I care to speak something. English should come out by my mouth. This is my actual goal, and somehow I managed to do today. do it today, because earlier some minutes ago, when, when before coming here, I was thinking that I should skip this time, but suddenly I realized no, whatever what may come, I should not skip. This is the my only thing, because I'm really this time very serious about my learning, and although I don't make time for a study or, but one two things I daily regularly use, uh, that is my listening and speaking. I don't want skip two things, at least by 28th of July, because I believe that if I keep doing like this, definitely my fluency will grow up. And you can see, you can go my first video and then see my this watch this recent one. Then you will see the differences, what I am seeing right now. So my suggestion is for you. If you really want to learn this language, you have to speak, you have to start, and step by step, by daily practicing, daily, by your consistency, you will be feel comfortable while speaking, like I am feeling comfortable, because I don't think much whenever I need to speak. So I am comfortable with this camera, this place, and English is coming automatically. I don't think much. I don't translate, as you can imagine that I speak like I speak in Hindi. So this is my way to speak, and I am feeling very contented here. So what was my desire, and now I need only things. I want to, when I speak, my thoughts scatter. So I want to control my thoughts. I want to precise my sentences. uh, so this is my goal now, because I got the fluency. This much is enough for my conversation anywhere, wherever I go. This is enough for fluency. So I don't feel I need to get fluency, but I feel that I need to accuracy of my sentences and words. So even though it will do if I don't use fancy words, advanced words, I'm okay with, I'm happy with my simple words, my simple sentences. So what was my goal? I just feel a bit achievement. So this was what I just speak, and like a random speak. I don't think too much. I didn't think too much, and this was what. So I'm going to wind up this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching up to now. So have a wonderful night ahead. A very good night to all of you. Thank you.